Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make these super simple and delicious stuffed zucchini. For this recipe, I used ground beef, bell pepper, parsley, cheese, garlic, an onion, salt, tomato puree, zucchini, ground cumin, and za'atar. Start with prepping all the ingredients. Cut the onions, garlic, bell pepper, and I had a leftover piece of zucchini, so I decided to add it as well. Cut the zucchini in half lengthwise and use a spoon to carefully scoop out the seeds. The seeds can be thrown away, but I'll be using it in the filling. Heat about 2 teaspoons of oil in a skillet over medium heat and cook the onions until they're translucent. Add the garlic and cook it along for about a minute. Then add the beef and add the spices. Mix the beef with the spices and cook until it's brown. Lower the heat and add the veggies. Mix it with the beef and add the tomato sauce. And taste to see if you want to add more spices. I decided to add some extra oregano. Fill the shells with the beef filling. I also wanted to mention that I did not cut off the stems because of aesthetic reasons. However, if you are making this at home, feel free to cut off the stems. And bake it in a preheated oven of 200 Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes in total. After 15 minutes, I took it out of the oven to add the cheese. However, if you're going for a crispy layer of cheese, add it in the beginning. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.